Okay, in this tutorial I'm going to talk about how to add issue pages. There's a lot to go over, so we're going to just jump right in. Now, first I'm in the WordPress dashboard, and I'm going to go over into the Pages section. And this is where you will add all of the issue pages, just like this one on the front of the site. So I want to show you a working example first to kind of show you some filled in content and how all this stuff works together. So we're going to go into Vol1 Ish1 and we're going to click Edit. And you'll notice a couple things here. First and foremost, which is the absolute most important thing when adding issue pages, is the title box up here. Now this isn't displayed anywhere on the site. It is only for kind of internal organization of content. It is very, very, very important that the title of this page is the same as the category of the posts you want to be displayed underneath it. So let's talk about that a little bit more. You'll notice on the issue pages that you have some articles underneath here that are displayed under this issue. Now all of these articles are blog posts in WordPress, and these blog posts are assigned in a category for Vol1 Ish1, standing for Volume 1 Issue 1. And the reason why it is Vol1 Ish1 is because it's the same title as this page. So first and foremost, when adding a new issue page, you're going to put in here vol, whatever volume it is, ish, and whatever the issue it is. And then you're also going into the post screen. You're going to create your articles or posts in that category, the same name as the issue page you want them to be displayed. So if we kind of look down here, we notice that dealing with the new financial reality is a post that we can see is categorized right underneath here, and it is there on the issue 1 page because it is in the category Vol1 Ish1. We'll talk more about adding posts and articles later, but just so we know that that's where that comes from on the issue pages, and that's how categories and articles get assigned to pages. Next is the content down in this section, and this is where the message from the director gets inputted. So if we notice right here, this is a bunch of content that's being displayed on the front end of the site, and this is where that content comes from. Okay. Next, kind of going down the edit page here, we notice there's volume number and issue number. Now whatever values are inputted in this location get outputted on the front of the site right here. So if I were to put issue number 2 in this box and I were to update this page, and let's refresh, that now changes to a 2. So let's go change that back. Now next is the forum title. Now obviously on the front of the site we don't want Vol1 Ish1 to be displayed. There's more appropriate titles to be displayed. So that's where this comes in handy. Forum title is what you will use to insert the long title of this actual forum, and that gets outputted right in this section right here. Next is the archive page title for a little bit smaller titles with a little bit less room. You will input that there, and that is going to get outputted on the past archive page right in this location. To point out on this page, you'll notice Ish1 right here. That number 1 also comes from this box right here. And whatever volume number you put here will get outputted in that volume on the archive page. So it's a brief overview there. We'll go on to more tutorials.